Hi there, my name is Adarsh, and in this video I've shown you how to change the name of your own Shopify store. Okay, so watch this video till the end so that you can also change the name of your own Shopify store easily. Okay, so let's get started.
Okay, so see, changing the name of your Shopify store is like really easy. Okay, if you want to change the name of your Shopify store, like mine is Adarsh Superstore 3. Okay, just go to settings options over here. Okay, then go to general settings. Yeah, and the first option here is store name. Okay, you can change the store name of your store over here. Okay, like mine is like Adarsh Superstore. Let's say I just made it Adarsh Store. Okay, yeah, like this. Click here, save. Yeah, see, now it's displaying Adarsh Superstore here. Come here, reload the page. Okay, it will take some time. Okay, yeah, it will take some more time. Like reload the page. Yeah, see, Adarsh Store. Okay, now if you click here, again it will become, see, Adarsh Store. Okay, so this is how easy you can change your store name. Okay, you can change your store name as many times as you want. Okay. Okay.
I hope you found this video useful. As I already just said, this video is the part of a Shopify series in which I am taking you on a journey from creating your own Shopify store to adding products to advertising to making real profit. So to get notified when I upload my next video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button to get notified when I upload my video. Thank you very much.